Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's MISys Tips and Tricks video. We know that MISys helps us keep track of our inventory, uh, depleting and increasing as required based on the transactions. However, there is a level of detail there sometimes we miss, which is the location where this inventory is being depleted from or increased in, and that is our source location. As you probably already know, there are master file locations, and we can have as many locations as we want here. However, how are these locations used? Especially for organizations where they tend to use material from multiple locations and or store material in multiple locations. This distinction becomes very important. If we go to our bill of materials, we can see that any bill of material under material section, in addition to the items that have been identified, there is a column for source location. So this is always the first priority when MISys is transacting. If there is a source location identified in a bill of material, when a manufacturing order or work order is being completed, it is going to draw the materials from the identified source location. If there is no location identified as a source location in a bill of material, the next thing it is going to do is look at the item master for that specific file and see if there is a preferred location. You'll notice that under an item master in the stock tab, under location section, you can list as many locations as you want, but you can also select one of these locations as preferred location. So if you don't have a source location in your bill of material, but have a preferred location in your item master, then the manufacturing order or the production order in general is going to deplete the materials from that location. And if you have neither one, then when you are creating a production order, in this case, I will go with a manufacturing order, after entering your build item number, and in this case, I'll go consistent with FG 2001, the next mandatory field the manufacturing order asks for is a location. So if I select location 1 here, this not only creates the inventory of the FG 2001 in location 01, but also if I did not have any source location in the item's bill of material or any preferred location in the item's master file, then the material used will automatically be drawn from source location 01. That is the location identified on this header tab. So notice I have used the same item FG 2001 and its bill of material did not have any source location. Yet here, when I pulled it into the manufacturing order, because I've identified location 01 as location number on the header, then the manufacturing order says, okay, that's where I'm going to draw the materials from as well. Does it change when we change this? It did not change. So what if I save it and refresh it? It does not change it. So it is important to know that once you populate the manufacturing order, even if you make changes here, this will not change. You have to go manually change each of them. And if all of these fields are filled in, if you have your bill of material source location filled in, if you have your items master file stock tab identifying a preferred location, and you go, which is a mandatory field, fill in the location number, but all three are different ones from one another, then what order do they go in? Well, the first one that takes priority is the BOM source location, bill of material source location, then the item master preferred location, and the manufacturing order build location is the final one. So BOM source location always takes precedence. I hope this helps you use MISys more effectively.